everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Cindy Kartika Putri. I'm from Management 23C and MPM 2341101. I will convey material about. Okay, happy for watching, guys. Understanding and use of statistics. Definition of statistics. Statistics in the science that study methods for collecting, analysis, interpreting, and presenting data. Statistics provides methods and tools to draw conclusions from exciting data and use in decision making based on empirical evidence. Official definition of statistics. 1. Definition from the American Statistics Association or ASA. Statistics in the science of learning from data and of measuring, controlling, and communication accurately. Is the science of making effective use of numerical data relating to group of individual or experiment. 2. Definition from the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. Statistics in a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presenting of methods of numerical data. 3. Definition from the Oxford English Dictionary. Statistics in the practice or science of collection and analysis numerical data in large quantities, especially for the purpose of inferring population involved from tools in representative example. Here are the objectives of statistics. 1. Data organization and summarization. Statistics aim to organize and summarize data in a way that understandable and useful. 2. Understanding data patterns and trends. By analyzing data, statistics help to uncover patterns and trends and relationship within the data. 3. Making prediction and inference. Statistics allow for drawing conclusions about population based on data from a sample, facilitating prediction and inference. Next, supporting decision making. Statistics provides a data-based foundation for making informed decisions in various fields such as business, healthcare, economy, and education. 5. Measuring and communicating accurately. By calculation probability and margin of error, statistics help quantity answerly and providing a clear picture of confidence in the data. 6. Testing hypotheses. Statistics in use to test hypotheses and validate assumptions, allowing research to confirm reject theories based on empirical evidence. Next, types of statistics. 1. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics involve summarizing and organizing data in a way that provides an overview of the dataset. It includes measuring such as mean, median, mode, rank, variance, and standard deviation. The statistics are used to describe the main features of a collection of data quantitatively. 2. Inferential statistics. Inferential statistics involves making prediction or inference about a large population based on data from a sample. It includes techniques like hypothesis, confidence interval, and regression analysis. Inference statistics is used to draw conclusions, estimate parameters, and test hypotheses to generalize findings beyond the sample data. Next, predictive statistics. Predictive statistics focus on analysis the past data to make future predictions. It often incorporates techniques like regression model, time series analysis, and machine learning algorithms Predictive statistics is widely used in fields like finance, marketing, and risk assessments. Next, exploratory data analysis or ADA. ADA, a statistical approach used to analyze dataset to discover patterns, support anomalies, and test hypotheses. ADA uses visualization such as histograms, scatter plots, and block plots, helping researchers understand the data structure and guide future analysis. Use of statistics in everyday life. 1. Personal finance management. People use statistics to budget and manage personal finance, tracking expense, analysis spending patterns, and making financial decisions based off historical data. 2. Health and medicine. In healthcare, statistics are used to track health trends, assessment risks, and support medical research. For example, statistics help determining the effectiveness of new treatment or in understanding the spread of diseases. 3. Weather forecasting. Meteorologists use statistical data from past weather patterns, predicting future weathers. Statistical models help in forecast rain, temperature change, and other weather conditions, helping pitch and plan daily activities. 5. Education. School and educators use statistics to analyze student performance, identify learning trends, and improve curriculum designs. Statistics also help in standardized assessment and tracking academic programs. 6. Public policy and government. Government use statistics in planning public service conditions, consensus, and making policy decisions based on population needs. For example, demographic data help allocate resources for healthcare, education, and infrastructure. 7. Business and marketing. Business use statistics to analyze customer behavior, evaluate market trends, and make strategic decisions. Marketing teams use statistical data to understand customer preference and improve targeting in advertisement. The role of statistics in the data era. 1. Foundation of data science and machine learning. Statistics form the backbone of data science machine learning by providing essential methods for analyzing, interpreting, and modeling data. Statistical techniques are crucial of training models and assessing accuracy and improving predictive power. 2. Data-driven decision making. In the era of big data, statistics empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, companies and institutions can understand trends, optimize strategies, and make informed decisions. 3. Managing and interpreting big data. As the volume of data grows, statistics provides the tools to filter, summarize, and interpret large datasets, transforming raw data, actionable insights that can drive innovation in environment. Last, conclusion. In the today data-driven world, statistics has become an essential tool for transforming data into valuable insight. By providing methods to analyze, interpret, and making valid data, statistics enable informed decision making, support innovation, and help individuals and organizations manage uncertainty efficiently. Its applications span across fields such as business, healthcare, technology, and public policy, making statistics fundamental in shaping strategies and solutions in the era of data. As data continues to grow in volume and importance. The role of statistics will only become more crucial, empowering society to make better, evidence-based decisions for the future. Okay, that's all material for me. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.